in my first 6 or 7 years of being a lawyer, I actually bought a few firms, I sold a few firms, and I really tried to hone down what the processes would be and what the technology would look like, what it would look like if you delivered an elevated client experience. For me, I'll give a tidbit of advice. It's all about client obsession. And if
Totally.
it's client obsession, that takes you much farther than having competitor obsession. And a
Totally.
lot of people in this industry are competitor obsessed, but they completely miss the boat on how you should structure your firm and what makes a firm competitive. So when you're client obsessed, it compounds and it creates a moat around your business.
Right.
And so that's something I learned early on as well. Just ignore the noise of what the competitors are doing. Really stay focused on your clients. Really stay focused on how you could deliver a little bit extra. And early on, when I didn't have as much money, getting those client referrals were the lifeblood of, what kept the doors open.
Yeah.
And it wouldn't have been possible unless, you kind of over delivered. And initially, obviously, I took a lot of cases and cases I
Totally.
probably couldn't have taken. When you're young, you don't have money, but you have a lot of time, right? So I would put in sometimes hundreds of hours in a case that probably, we shouldn't have taken in the first place. But developing all those early relationships really did pay off at some point in the future.